Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your profit margins with AliExpress step by step clearly. Start by researching popular products on AliExpress that have high demand and low competition. Use tools like Google Trends and keyword research platforms to assess product viability. Select a niche that interests you and aligns with your target audience's needs. Create an account on AliExpress to access its vast array of products. Once registered, explore categories relevant to your chosen niche. Filter products by ratings and order volume to identify top sellers. Take note of suppliers with a high positive feedback score and reliable shipping options. Analyze product prices to find items with good profit margins after considering shipping costs. Consider using a dropshipping model to minimize upfront inventory costs. Set your retail prices based on market research and competitor analysis. Utilize tools like Oberlo or Spocket for seamless integration with your online store. Establish an appealing brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Launch your online store on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Optimize product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and keywords. Implement effective marketing strategies using social media, paid advertising, and content marketing. Monitor sales metrics and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Regularly analyze and adjust your pricing strategy based on competitor activity and market trends. Maintain strong relationships with reliable suppliers for consistent product quality. Test and introduce new products periodically to keep your offerings fresh and appealing. Focus on customer service, responding promptly to inquiries and resolving issues efficiently. Continue educating yourself about e-commerce trends to stay ahead in the market. Review your profit margins regularly to assess the impact of your strategies. Make adjustments to your marketing and pricing as necessary to optimize profits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.